Alright guys, today's video, working on the bus, getting it ready for a motorcycle event that I am planning on attending. And yeah, I don't have any stuff on the inside yet. The roof does not leak anymore. I have no bed, I have no TV, I have no nothing. But you know what I got? I've got a roof over my head and doors that lock. So I'm gonna sweep this thing out and I'm gonna go and get my blow up mattress, blanket, this, that, air conditioner, generator, everything I need for a nice camping weekend, as well as my Honda Trail 70, because I'm bringing it along. It is a motorcycle event, by the way, you know. Trail 70 is a motorcycle. So anyhow, let's get to sweeping this thing out and hit the road after I load up the Trail 70 and stuff. Guys, y'all have a pleasant day.
Have fun, buddy.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
have a safe ride.
Drop. I think I'm sweatier than that guy.
Don't forget your raincoat. It's supposed to rain.
Gotcha.
You got your poncho, your beanies and weenies.
Drive safe.
See y'all. Love y'all, mean it.
Hey, don't pick up any lot lifts.
Oh my goodness. That's staying in there, you know. Good. On the road. So I was on my way again, and well, you can see my voltmeter is back down to not charging again. So I've got a problem somewhere, and I don't think I can drive an hour to my destination with so I'm heading back to the shop, and I'm going to put a meter on it and see what I find. Well, I decided to just go for it. So I'm just around the corner from the smokeout. I can't wait to get there. It's been quite a few years since I've been there. So it looks like a pretty good turnout, and people are just going to keep showing up. So I'm going to go find some things to do, maybe find something to eat.
Hell yeah.
retire for the weekend. So I've been doing a lot of cruising around on the 2 projects here. Now I'm getting hungry. So I'm gonna go try to find the food court and get me something to eat. Hopefully my baby will be fine right here. And of course, the most fun that I had, I didn't have my camera with me. I got to do some dirt drag racing, which I think I did pretty good. And let me see, burnout. I did a wicked burnout with the CT70. So I'm gonna go try to catch some more burnouts, and then I'm gonna go to bed. The bus is that way, but the burnouts are that way. Here we go. Cool thing is the burnout pit. You're good. Looks like it's a rain out today. Yeah, it's raining pretty good. I slept awesome in the bus, but I gotta try to make it over there to those porta potties because I gotta go. So I'm gonna go dodge the raindrops and try to figure out what's for breakfast. I gotta brush my teeth. Yeah. I just don't think there's going to be a whole lot going on today. So anyways, so I had to move my bus from its original parking location because I was on an extreme hill, and with all this mud I was figuring I'd get pretty stuck. So I'm gonna go try to find something to eat because I am starving and I'm out walking in all this mess. I hope the rain will stay away for about 30 minutes. Let me find something to do. It's already starting to pick up. So, a lot of cool people out here. I love this place. I started coming to Salisbury for the smokeout back in the day. God, it's been many years. And then they moved to Rockingham. Rockingham's okay. I wasn't real big on the Rockingham location. I liked Salisbury better. Really cool mini bikes out here. Oh, this one's made out of chain. This is hilarious. That one's a pretty sweet bike right there too. Got the Briggs on it. it's muddy. It's real muddy. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go because I'm gonna try to enjoy the event. You know, my girlfriend just broke up with me and I'm just not feeling like finishing up a video, so I'm gonna enjoy myself, and I reckon I'll catch y'all later. So thanks for watching.